Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow others to share your release to their story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have reels on your Facebook and you want people to share your share your reels to their story, you want to allow them so they can share your reels to their story. How to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile. You can scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down until you find Reels. On audience and visibility, there is an option, Reels. You can tap on that. You can see you can allow others to share your Reels to their stories. My toggle is inactive. You have to activate the toggle by tap on the toggle like this. So if you create a public reel, anyone on Facebook can share it to their story. If you tag someone in any reel, they can share it to their story. Their story will include your full name, a link to see your reel, and will be visible for 24 hours. And they also can control who sees their story. That include your reels on the story. So that is how to allow people to share your reels to their story on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!